Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of InstantBiz, which launched on the 15th of May at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. A little bit late to the party with this one, but I wanted to do a review because it's a very good product. So if you like the idea of being able to create a series of very good websites from scratch, also to create landing pages, splash pages, and lots more besides, which we'll go into, then listen on to this review video. You can use this as a basis of a fully fledged online biz with a new platform that lets you create and sell stunning sites to others, or you can just use the sites that you've created for yourself and your own businesses. It's entirely up to you. Now, I'm going to show you also the custom bonuses that you will get if you decide to pick up InstantBiz from my link, which is immediately underneath this review video. I've put together 5 custom bonuses which you will be able to get if you click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, I wouldn't want that to happen because I've gone to a lot of length to put these together to ensure your success with InstantBiz. As the title suggests, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. But having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of InstantBiz, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and give you more chance of succeeding with InstantBiz than what anyone else is offering. So what is InstantBiz? Well, it is a way that you can launch a fully fledged online biz with a new platform that lets you create and sell stunning sites with ease. Watch the video here. This is a sales video. It's sort of laid back informal style sales video, which I have to say I like rather than the ultra hyped ones. And Radu will talk you through what the product essentially is. You can then see the demo video on my bonus page, which we'll come to in a minute. So you can create beautiful websites and pages to use in any kind of business, from online consultancy to the local store down the street. Newbie friendly and easy to use, that anyone can create a beautiful page in 60 seconds flat. Commercial licenses included, so you can sell those sites and make profits. The app does all the heavy lifting for you. Exclusive local biz feature that explodes the results of any local business. 100% new and more affordable than any other solution available on the market. It's all cloud-based, so there's nothing to install, and the sites are all hosted for you, so you don't even need any hosting with this. So if you've ever been thinking of doing a side web agency business, this really would be the perfect product for you to start with, because as you can see, it's got a very low front-end entry price there of just $17.25. So that is a pretty good deal. All right, so we'll come back and go through the rest of the sales page in a minute. I will also take you inside the members area at InstantBiz. There we are. That is the platform page. So we'll go in and have a detailed look at that in a moment. And this video will be here. These are the points that I've just gone through about what's included. And this is the demo video, which you should definitely watch, because I'll give you a very brief overview, but from an expert, if you want a walkthrough from a grown-up, then...
All right, welcome to the demo video of InstantBiz. This is a cloud-based app that allows you to create beautiful pages, websites.
All right, so that is going to be like a 9 or 10 minute walkthrough there, so you should definitely watch this demo video. So what am I going to include with my custom bonuses if you pick this up from me? Well, the first thing is one of the things you could absolutely do with this product is you could use it as the basis of outsourcing your service on Fiverr, which is obviously the main outsourcing platform. So you could create websites for other people and offer your services as a web designer or a website creator or a landing page creator, and you can charge a premium for doing that. Now, this 3-hour masterclass is the most extensive and in-depth masterclass that I've seen on Fiverr, and it will show you absolutely everything you need to know about the platform from A to Z, and it will make sure that you're positioned and optimized on Fiverr to make sure that you get loads of business if you decide to promote there. Yeah. Now, just in case, if you're going down the web agency route, or if you just want to build your own additional websites, I want to make sure that you also know how to build sites from scratch on the WordPress platform, because that's very important. So in case you don't know how to do that, I'm including this website building for dummies course from John O. Armstrong, which will show you how to build a WordPress site from scratch easily, just to make sure that you've got your bases covered with that. Yeah. And then this is what I'm going to include. This is a masterclass on how to run a web agency. So if you decide that you do want to go down that route, yeah, I like the idea of selling these websites, then this is an 1.5-hour masterclass on how to run a web agency starting from scratch. And then a useful add-on to that would be if you also offered to look after people's social media profiles and social media advertising. And so this masterclass, which again is about 1.5 hours long, will show you how to set up and run a Facebook advertising agency. Yeah, so it'll teach you everything that you need to know about that. So the two combined will really set you up nicely. Now, one of the upsells in this package is a done-for-you SEO optimization. Yeah. Now, if you can afford to take that, absolutely fine. Yeah. If you decide though that you want to understand search engine optimization yourself, or you want to actually do the SEO yourself rather than taking the done-for-you upsell, then great. This 1.5 hour masterclass will teach you everything that you need to know to be able to do the optimization yourself. It might take you a little bit longer, but this will work as well. So there's another option for you that can save you money on that upsell if you decide that you've got the time to do the SEO yourself. All right, so lots of value there that I've stacked in with these. I hope you can see that's hundreds of dollars worth of value. So let's return to the sales page, the usual stuff with testimonials and proofs, which you're going to get. There's the team of Luan, Radu and Tanga. That's more testimonials there. That's the demo video that you'll actually see on my bonus page, so you will already have seen that. Here's some examples of created sites using the software. There's one with a video in the center here, logo sites and so on. This is an example what I was saying about what you can charge on Fiverr. This will be an obvious way to use this product. This is what people are currently charging for doing this work, and you'll be able to do it. All right, this is showing you what you can create. So let's actually head into the members area. It's the easiest way to do this now. So okay, so this is your options of your main dashboard here. You've got other things you can do. There's like lists, pop-ups. You can create pop-ups. You can start email campaigns. There's a proximity app with beacons, which means that you can set up mobile devices so that when they come into range, they automatically get push notifications about your products and stuff like that. That's a bit more advanced, but let's have a look at the basics. So we just click on sales pages. You can have any of these templates. So this is the one I was telling you about that's got, like, if you want a video at the center, you can just like load up this, you put your video in there and amend, all this is completely amendable, and that would be a good sort of landing page with a video message. That would be pretty cool. A very basic page here, if we just wanted a sort of a call to action there, a little logo there, etc. That's a nice straightforward one. A special offer one. Again, pretty straightforward and effective. Obviously, you can play around with these and edit them in any way that you want. Let's go back. Company pages, again, variety of style. This one's looks more like travel, yeah. Hotel page, so a basic one, and then there's longer ones like this one here. Just waiting for it to load. There we go. This is a more detailed one with the maps at the bottom. Yeah. So you get the idea. Also got deals and coupons that you can create. Look at this. Special offer coupon. Very useful digital coupons at the moment. There's a standalone product launched this week that just deals with those. Video promotions, which I was saying before, 2 alternatives for that. This is all with the front end, yeah. Personal, brand yourself with business cards. There we go. What else have we got? Yeah, we've got coming soon. This is like if you're doing a pre-launch, create a pre-launch page for a product you're launching. Look at that, yeah. We've also got thank you pages. And there, thank you for registering. So you've got your own customizable thank you page, yeah. So pretty much sort of everything that you could want there to set up a site. So you know, as I said, watch the full demo video for some more in-depth training on exactly, you know, what you can and can't do with these different pages. But I hope that gives you a good feel for what you've got there. To create a campaign, by the way, you just go to this button here and go to the bottom there. You can either manage your existing funnels or just create a funnel. You just give your funnel a name, and then it will bring up this page to get cracking, to get started. All right. So that is that. Let's go back to so you can build your list inside the app. With the exclusive opt-in feature, you're going to be able to collect leads and create beautiful opt-in forms that convert. Also, you can get all the emails and can quickly export them to a CSV file to put into your autoresponder. You can create pop-ups. I mentioned that. This is the beacon and geofence technology. Everything's hosted for you. It's all cloud-based. It's the site builder's drag and drop, and the commercial license is included. It's a very good deal for the inclusion of the commercial license, yeah. And you got some bonuses. One-click article builder is the first vendor's bonus, and Easy Sketch Pro is the second vendor's bonus. So they are included with this as well. So before we wrap up, let's have a look at the upsells. Yeah. So the first upsell is the Pro version for $37, a bunch of extra features to make the software even more powerful. So study those in detail. This is the one I was telling you about if you don't want to use my bonus to do the SEO yourself. The second upsell for $27 is a SEO X Business add-on. After you sell people the websites, the next thing they'll need is great SEO optimization. And with this upgrade, you can now offer SEO services to your clients. The app does all the work for you. It's all done for you. All right. Resellers' rights is $42, which is the next upsell. You can sell the product as your own, keep 100% of the profits. And finally, the last upsell is InstantBiz BTS membership. With this upsell, you'll get instant access to InstantBiz Born to Sell membership, where you'll get instant access to all of Radu and the team's apps and softwares, marketing training, SEO training, and much more. So that's like a bundle package of loads of stuff and training. So that is pretty good, again, if you can afford that at $97. I would seriously consider this Pro upgrade, folks. And if you don't want to spend the time learning and doing the SEO yourself, but you do want to sell these sites, then you will need this SEO add-on. It's entirely up to you which way you go with that. All right. So you can see all of these bonuses here. I hope that this will make it a no-brainer, folks, to use the link underneath to pick this up. And then when you decide, you click on these green buttons here, come back onto the sales page, click on Add to Cart. And then when you come back into the back office at Warrior Plus, click on the green button to access your copy of InstantBiz, and then click on the blue button to access my bonuses. It's as straightforward as that. All right, so good one. We're going to give this a 3.5 out of 5 rating. We like this product, and we think it's useful. So there we go. I hope that you will pick it up from my link if you decide to pick up InstantBiz. And all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of InstantBiz.